Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do a slip knit in half fisherman rib stitch that involve two knit one below stitches right next to each other. So as you can see here, I already set up my row with the marker to indicate where I need to do a slip knit. So what we are going to do is we are going to set it up first on the wrong side, which is on this side right here, and we're going to skip this stitch on the wrong side, which is we don't work the stitch on the wrong side because this stitch will be on top of this stitch just right here, so it will be on top of each other. So let's start. Let me go back here, work in pattern into my marker. So knit until marker, skip this stitch. So the goal is to skip this stitch right here. So I'm going to work this stitch as normal and bring the yarn to front. This is my wrong side, so I'm bringing the yarn to front, slip this stitch purlwise, and then bring it to the front again, and then slip my marker, and then I'll work in pattern again. So let's do this, work in pattern again, slip marker. So again, I'm going to work this stitch as normal, and I'm going to skip this stitch. So I'm going to knit this stitch and then bring the yarn to the front, slip one purlwise, and then slip marker, and then knit until end of row. So let's go to the right side. So here you can see I already set up my work so that when I do a slip knit, this stitch and this stitch will share the same knit one below stitch. Same with this stitch and this stitch will share the same knit one below stitch. So let me work in pattern and I'll show you how I do it. So knit one, purl, knit one below, knit, slip marker. So this is where I'm supposed to do a slip knit. So just like the regular slip knit, we're going to slip this one knitwise. But for this one, we're going to insert the needle to the row below, knit this stitch, and then pass the slip stitch over. So you can see here we have the slip knit decrease right next to each other. So it looks kind of loose right now, but don't worry, once we work up more rows, it will even out the pattern. So I'm going to work in pattern again into my next marker, and I can show you again. This one, purl, slip my marker. So same thing, I'm going to slip this one knitwise, insert my needle to the row below right here, knit one below, and then pass slip stitch over. And then I'll pass my marker again and then work in pattern. So you can see here we have just increase the stitch right here. And let me go do like another wrong side row so I can show you how it look after a couple more rows. So maybe let me do 2 more rows. So in pattern, I'm going to remove the marker right now so you can see it better. So let's see, remove marker. So I'm going to go to the right side here. And pearl one. So you can see right here, we have the slip knit, and then you can see that the stitch that share the knit one below stitch is shared with between two stitches, and you can see there is no longer a hole here anymore. And that's it.